Yes, it's a box from eBay. I love opening boxes from eBay, especially this one. It is a Dell Studio XPS 9100 motherboard. I won it with a $29 bid, and the best thing is, I already have a Xeon to throw in it. I know that there are many cheap Xeons that are better than this one, but hey, I don't know what else to do with it. So, here we go. First, I have to mock it up and test it out and see if I got a bargain or not. Got some thermal compound and a cheap all-in-one cooler. Yeah, X58 baby, here we go. Only concern was this system comes with an i7-930, and since I don't have one, I didn't know if I was going to be able to update the BIOS for it to accept the Xeon, but it took off, no problem. Just to name a few things I like about this build is this Versa N24 case by Thermaltake. It's a cool design and didn't cost too much. And the EVGA power supply I picked up at Best Buy. Yes, I said it, Best Buy, the overpriced electronics store. The box had dust on it. That's how long this thing sat on the shelf before they threw it on sale. Dell motherboard just drops in, so no modifications there. Some extra chipset cooling mods were needed for me to feel comfortable gaming on it though. When using a water cooler, you take away airflow that would have been supplied from a downfiring fan CPU cooler spreading across the motherboard. I'm also adding USB 3.0, as this machine would have no problem with editing, so transferring large files will go quickly. It wasn't until after I was done making this computer that I started reading the comments of people that had this Dell, and one of their main complaints was motherboard failure. Well, I'm just thinking if they would have kept these chipsets cooler, would it have lasted? Coming up, you will see an Intel I/O controller. I should have had some kind of heatsink on it, but because of its placement, I think they deferred the option, because the full-size graphics cards just would have hit it. So I'm adding a side case fan to help keep that cool. And for the final specs, 12GB triple channel DDR3 RAM, 600 watt power supply, Intel Xeon W3 550, modded BIOS with debug no overclock, Windows 8.1 Pro, 500GB Seagate Barracuda, Thermaltake Versa case, GTX 1050 Ti 4GB, and a Dell Studio XPS 9100 motherboard. I rendered more than half of this video on this old Dell with ease, but it seems like I'm forgetting something. Oh yeah, some of you probably want to know if it games. Anyhow, how about some 1080p Doom? Okay friends, till we meet again, thanks a lot for watching, and like, subscribe, and share this video, and all that cool stuff.